For over 2,500 years, Daoist masters in ancient China discovered something extraordinary about the human mind. They found that the greatest power doesn't come from forcing, straining, or struggling, but from training your mind to align with the natural flow of the universe itself. This is Daoist Mind Training. Episode 1. An Introduction to the Ancient Way. Welcome to Daoist Mind Training. On this channel, we're going to explore some of the most powerful mental training techniques ever developed, methods that have been tested and refined over thousands of years by Daoist sages, Zen monks, and Qigong masters. These aren't just abstract philosophies or mystical ideas. These are practical, actionable techniques that you can use today to calm your mind, increase your energy, sharpen your focus, access deeper creativity, live with less stress and more clarity. But here's what makes this different from most meditation or mindfulness content you'll find online. Daoist mind training isn't just about sitting quietly and watching your breath. It's about actively cultivating and circulating your life energy, what the Chinese call qi. It's about training your consciousness to work with the natural patterns of reality, not against them. And most importantly, it's about practical results that you can measure in your daily life. So let's start with the fundamental question. What exactly is Daoist mind training? First, we need to understand what Daoist means. The word comes from Dao, D-A-O, which translates as the way or the path. But it's much more than that. The Tao is the natural order of the universe. It's the pattern behind all patterns, the intelligence that makes water flow downhill, that makes seeds grow into trees, that keeps planets orbiting stars. Everything in nature follows the Tao without thinking about it. But humans? We have this unique ability to resist the natural flow. We overthink, we force, we struggle against reality. And this creates suffering, stress, anxiety, exhaustion. Daoist mind training teaches your mind to return to the natural way, to flow like water instead of fighting like stone. Now you might be thinking, isn't this just meditation? Well, yes and no. Many meditation traditions, especially Buddhist ones, focus primarily on calming the mind and observing thoughts without attachment. That's valuable, and there's overlap. But Daoist practice adds something crucial: active energy cultivation. Daoists discovered that consciousness isn't just awareness, it's also energy. And that energy can be trained, refined, and circulated through specific pathways in your body. This is what makes Daoist mind training uniquely powerful. You're not just watching your mind, you're transforming it. Every technique we'll explore on this channel rests on 3 fundamental pillars. Master these, and everything else becomes possible. Pillar 1. Jing, quieting the mind. The first pillar is Jing, quietness or stillness. This is the foundation. Your mind is like a pond. When it's constantly disturbed by thoughts, emotions, and distractions, you can't see clearly. But when you train your mind to become still, everything becomes clear. Problems that seemed impossible suddenly have obvious solutions. The path forward appears naturally. We achieve this through practices like Zhuowang, sitting and forgetting, which we'll explore in episode 3. Pillar 2. Qi, cultivating energy. The second pillar is Qi, your vital life energy. In Chinese medicine and Daoist practice, Qi is the animating force that flows through everything. When your Qi is abundant and flowing smoothly, you feel energized, clear-minded, and healthy. When it's blocked or depleted, you feel tired, foggy, and stuck. Daoist mind training includes specific breathing techniques, visualizations, and movements designed to cultivate and circulate your qi. We'll cover practices like reverse breathing in Episode 4 and the microcosmic orbit in Episode 6. Pillar 3, Shen, developing spirit. The third pillar is Shen, spirit or consciousness itself. This is where things get profound. Shen is your awareness, your true nature, the observer behind all your thoughts and experiences. Developing Shen means expanding your consciousness beyond the limited ego-based identity. You begin to experience yourself as part of something much larger, connected to the Tao itself. This is achieved through practices like Neiguan, inner observation, which we'll explore in Episode 5. These three pillars work together. Quieting the mind allows qi to flow naturally. Cultivating qi nourishes your spirit, and developing your spirit gives you the awareness to quiet your mind even more deeply. It's a complete system of transformation. So here's what we're going to do together on this channel. Every week, I'll be releasing detailed videos teaching you specific techniques from the Daoist tradition and also from related practices like Japanese Zen and Chinese Qigong. Episode 2, The Secret of Wu Wei, Effortless Action. Episode 3, Zuo Wang Meditation, Sitting and Forgetting. Episode 4, Reverse Breathing, Energy Cultivation, and more. Each episode will give you clear explanation of the philosophy behind each technique, step-by-step practical instruction you can follow, guided practice sessions, modern applications for your daily life, common mistakes and how to avoid them. This isn't about becoming a monk or withdrawing from the world. This is about bringing ancient wisdom into your modern life. Using these techniques while you work, while you deal with stress, while you navigate relationships and challenges. Whether you're completely new to meditation or you've been practicing for years, these techniques will give you new tools and deeper understanding. So here's what I recommend. Start from the beginning. Watch these first 10 episodes in order, because each one builds on the previous ones. In Episode 10, I'll give you a complete 21-day challenge that integrates everything you've learned into a daily practice routine. But don't wait until Episode 10 to start practicing. After each video, try the technique. Experiment. See what happens. Keep a practice journal. Notice what you experience and share your insights in the comments. I read every single one, and I'll do my best to answer your questions. If you're ready to begin this journey into Daoist Mind Training, I invite you to subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss any episodes. Drop a comment below and let me know. What drew you to this video? What do you hope to gain from these practices? The ancient Daoist masters taught that the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. You've just taken that step. In the next episode, we'll explore Wu Wei, the art of effortless action. It's one of the most profound and immediately practical concepts in all of Daoist philosophy. Until then, practice being present. Practice observing your mind. And remember, the way that can be forced is not the eternal way.